good, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time, please like, comment, share, subscribe my YouTube channel for more and more content. Understand? So guys, today I've got a very painful issue. Serious and so yeah guys, we all know Belvedere is a very nice place, and Dzimba, they are very nice. There's very nice beautiful Belvedere, understand? And the most painful part is like government Dzimba, and we don't know the issue, and we don't know what's wrong, and as you or whatever, but let's just hope they'll compensate. And their government is gonna do something, and it's not only gonna like remove them, because it's not easy, man. Some people they're doing rituals on Dzimba. Some people they're working day and night, sleepless nights, man, to buy houses, to buy stands, and then government from nowhere, you know, or whatever reason they're Dzimba. Since Saturday valid reason, or since Saturday reason Dzimba so far. But here guys, if you please like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel for more and more content. And yeah, I will show you the videos and tell me what you think down in the comment section. And yeah, it's not good, guys. Like, it's very bad. Imagine you from nowhere, like you're working so hard to and then from nowhere, guys. Imagine, guys. So yeah guys, let me show you the video, and yeah, tell me down what you think down in the comment section. You understand? Let's get into it. Guys, thank you guys for watching the video to this end. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe when I subscribe. Don't forget to follow my Facebook for more and more updates. Understand? Praise my God, Facebook, praise my God, TikTok, praise my God, Instagram, wherever, everywhere, praise my God. Understand? Then I will keep on giving you updates. Understand? So you guys, thank you for supporting. Keep on supporting and do whatever you can do best. And yeah, I'll keep on giving you updates also, you understand? So you guys, do the audio report in Dzimba. Even those on Dzimba, I feel like government for something for a compensate. Nikupa on Dzimba zao, wawakira back with the saying stuff, you understand? So I beg you, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe for more and more. You understand? Thank you.